This is the beginning of a new journey, guys. I just finished my color consultation. Oh my God. It just makes all my nerves just feel so much better. So, yes, I'm so excited. I'm at work, y'all. I did this whole color consultation at work. Ghetto. Anyway, I'm going to follow back up with you guys as we get closer to the date. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a second, or like whatever I come back to do this vlog. Bye. Hey guys, first of all, I know I look terrible. I always look like I'm in like jail or something. Do not mind the background noise. My diffuser is on because I need it, y'all. Today has just been a day, and I am trying to give you guys as much raw and real as possible during this vlog, but it is the day before the hair appointment and I have to prep my hair. So I want to kind of walk you through that and just kind of get my mind prepared for this hair change. If you watch my very first, actually it was my last Vlogmas video, I kind of told you guys that I was getting ready to do this and I wanted to stick to my goals. In terms of my hair goals, I'm actually thinking about doing a virtual vision board for myself and for you guys to do with me, just so I can hold myself accountable, even though I know it's the end of January, whatever. I just want to have something to look at every single day, and I think that's the best way to do it, even a month into the new year. But I do have to prep for my hair, and like I said, for those of you who might be trying to make this big decision for yourselves, you know that even with me, I have my nerves, I have my questions, I have my anxiety. So let's jump right into this new season, especially after last year, and just this last decade for me has just been traumatic, to say the least. This is like my my phoenix, if that makes sense. Like I'm trying to, you know, kind of turn things around for myself, starting with this. So I'm bringing you guys along. This vlog is really going to be sort of personal for me because, like I said, my hair is essentially something that I kind of use to express myself in the best way that I can, even when my words can't. So this new hair color is going to be, I think, a reflection of what I've been doing lately in terms of really stepping out of my comfort zone. Believe it or not, guys, I have a comfort zone. I know it may not seem like it, but I am very shy when it comes to certain things, and I'm very timid when it comes to certain things because I am a low-key perfectionist, and I also just am very sensitive about my creativity and just my ideas and my thoughts. So to do something like this and to follow through with it and to get to this point is even big for me. So I have been told by my stylist to actually stretch out my hair as much as possible and try not to use or don't use any products at all because she doesn't want any oil in my hair going into the process. Yeah, this is my last day being this color for I don't know how long, but FROstrated, as you know, it is going to go. Wow. Okay, let me stop holding off because I really need to go wash my hair and like get my hair prepped. But okay. All right, I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Okay guys, hair is clean. It is it's about as stretched as it's going to get. I have no products in my hair and it's like I'm itching to put like some oil on my scalp, but I know all of that's going to be taken care of tomorrow. I'm going to take you guys on the journey, of course, tomorrow, but I just wanted to give you guys one last look of my hair while it is this color, and tomorrow my whole hair life changes. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. It is the day of the appointment. I have just arrived to the salon. I'm waiting on my stylist to call to let me in. She has some COVID things for me to fill out, make sure everything's good, temperature and all of that. I'm gonna take y'all in. But I wanted to first of all show y'all my brows because I have been busted for a long time. And yeah, bonnet gang. Shout out to Tanisha, Girlfriends Forever, for this reversible bonnet. So I've been out here really giving y'all looks. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, I feel really good. Today it's a pretty day out. Like you know, I got here on time. Traffic was not bad. I am in the Atlanta area, so with permission I'll let y'all know where I'm at, you know, once my stylist gives me the okay. But I am super excited and very nervous about this, only because, like I've been saying this whole time, it's just different for me. It's just about to be different on all different levels, but I'm excited, more excited and happy than anything, for sure. But yeah, for me, this is like an early birthday, late Christmas gift for myself, and not only myself but my brand. And I'm excited to see, you know, the outcome. I really am, because I'm starting to think that me doing things for myself, I really have to do things for myself. Like, I am one to literally give my last, whether it be money, whether it be clothes, whether it be ideas. I'm always like, here, sis, here, bro, take it. I got this idea for you. Boom, go do it. I think this will work for you. Don't even worry about charging me. Don't even worry about this and that. And you know, something just said, you know what, you need to do something for yourself and kind of incorporate that into 2021. Like your goals, what you have planned, your agenda in terms of your brand and your personal life. You need to start doing things for yourself with no intentions but to make yourself happy. So this is I am going to pretty much vlog until I get a call or a text saying that I'm ready. Keep in mind, y'all, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers so I can tell y'all the date that I'm dropping the merch. Really want to tell y'all the day I drop the merch. The sooner, the better for y'all. So, yeah, y'all let me know. I gotta go. Bye. I'm recording now. Hey, y'all. Okay, so we back. My hair looking mess, but y'all know that. Say hey to Alexis, y'all. This is the lady that's transforming my hair. I was just telling her, like, it makes me happy to know that she is like happy about doing her freaking job. Like, it be some hairstylists, and y'all know we talk about this on the channel, but it be some hairstylists that be like, all right, let's get started. And I be like, dang, can I get a hello? Like, can we talk about the day? Like, I don't want this to be awkward. And the fact,
especially because we're about to spend a couple hours together.
And a couple dollars. Like, I'm spending money. Bro, you need to ask me something. Can we have some kind of casual conversation? But anyway, I ain't going to take y'all in too much because, of course, y'all will hear. By the time y'all watch it, y'all don't know. But, yes, y'all, I'm excited. Check back with y'all when we, like, halfway in. Okay? All right, bye. Y'all, I'm so excited. I had to vlog this part. I'm just excited about this because the fact that it's this color is already like satisfying to me, but it's about to change in like a couple minutes. I'm so excited, y'all. First of all, this is the best thing invented in life. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this thing here is a goat. Love it, love it, love it. Alright guys, I don't want to talk too much because I just want to just reveal to y'all like Beyonce, but this has been the best. Like, so far so good. This is the best self-care off day I've ever had so far for 21, so. Alright y'all, I will see y'all when we start to wrap it up. Bye. Y'all, look at...
You gotta come in the mirror.
Oh, okay, sorry. Y'all, look at this. She's the reason. I'm gonna put all her information in the... Y'all, look at this in the light. Okay, I gotta go, but y'all, I just had to close this out. So good. Alexis, thank you so much. You know I'm coming back, so you don't worry about that. All right, y'all, see y'all later. Y'all... It's over for you hoes, okay? This is real hair, real time, real, like, what? Excuse me? Like, huh? What was you saying? You said it was weave? No, we don't do weave, sweetie. Oh, y'all are about to be tired of me because hair is on what? Excuse my language, but you hoes could never, okay? Never in your life. What? Oh. Yeah, it's a wrap for y'all. It's a wrap. Like, brows, yeah, y'all can't even see the brows, but I'm gonna close out once I get home because I got some shit to do right now. But and we didn't have to curl. Why? Because I want y'all to see this length. I want y'all to see what happens when you leave your hair long. This is my treat to myself. Very much Cajun, very much cinnamon spice, very much paprika. Okay, all right, I gotta go, y'all. I'm gonna close out this vlog, but wow. Okay, bye. All right, guys, and this is the final look. Y'all, I'm gonna have to get used to this. I'm gonna have to get used to this color. Y'all gonna have to get used to me looking like this because of this length and all in between. If you guys actually have any questions regarding this entire process, feel free to comment down below. I'm probably gonna do a video just about, you know, the colors that she used and this whole process if you guys wanted to know or do it yourself. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog, guys. I am wow. Anyway, y'all have a good one. I will see y'all in the next video.